From fairs and festivals to performing arts and special events, there is always something fun to do with friends and family throughout the year. Fairfax County is home to George Washington's Mount Vernon Estate and many historic buildings and landmarks such as Colvin Run Mill, Gunston Hall, and the Workhouse Arts Center. Dozens of historical markers throughout the county commemorate famous places and events. Try finding them all if you can. Tyson's Corner Center attracts local residents and visitors from all over the world with an impressive mix of fashion, dining, and entertainment. Reston Town Center, Springfield Town Center, the Mosaic District, Fair Oaks Mall, and dozens of retail destinations cover every style and every palette. Fairfax County thrives at finding innovative solutions to complex problems. Together, local government, nonprofit organizations, generous volunteers, and private sector partners come together in creative ways to tackle important projects to make our community stronger. A top library system in the country, with a collection of approximately 2.2 million items, our libraries offer meeting spaces for groups, free internet access, plenty of computers, and regular events for community members of all ages. Choose your option. In addition to driving your own car, residents have many transportation choices, including Metro Rail and Metro Bus, the Virginia Railway Express, the Fairfax Connector Bus System, Capital Bike Share, pedestrian walkways, park and ride lots, carpooling, and ride sharing. Fairfax County's award-winning park system includes over 300 miles of trails, athletic fields, lakefront parks, historic sites, water parks, playgrounds, golf courses, and rec centers. With 44 million trees and a park around every corner, Fairfax County is a beautiful place to spend time outdoors. Fairfax County is the safest jurisdiction of its size in the nation. Our sheriff's deputies, police officers, fire and rescue personnel, and first responders focus on building trust and positive relationships with the communities they serve. Home to a number of Fortune 500 company headquarters, Fairfax County is a great place to do business. We attract businesses large and small in many industry sectors, including data analytics, financial services, engineering, hospitality, healthcare, and more. Proximity to Washington, D.C. means there's no shortage of career opportunities in government, defense, IT, and contracting. As the 10th largest school district in the nation, with a graduation rate of nearly 93%, Fairfax County's top-tier public schools attract families and businesses from all over the nation.